Here I removed the front fork already from the bike, and I'm trying to remove the dustpan and the lock washer. This dustpan here. Be careful with the some sort of ring, lock ring, not to lose this. Sorry for poor lighting in next procedure, folks. This is procedure for careful and cautious person only, for safety. Place slider in can with some oil in it and some oil in the slider as well. You apply heat on the can slowly and gradually to heat up can. You want to let pressure of heated oil penetrate into thread of Allen screw. 5 to 10 minutes of slow low heat should be enough for this. Then let it cool down gradually. This will make releasing Allen screw on bottom much easier. The trick is this. This is 24 millimeter, which is 15/16 of an inch. This hex head, 24 millimeter or 15/16 of an inch. The male hex head is what you need. You can get it from the Home Plumbing Parts. I got it from Home Plumbing Parts rather easily. And this one is fit into the damper rod, so hold it while the Allen head screw is rotating. This one, 24 millimeter, this is 15/16. You fit into the red socket, 24 or 15/16 socket. I don't know if you can see it. Fit into there. Then this one fit into this extension. Yeah, this is what it looks like when it's assembled together. And this is Allen head screw, which is 8 millimeter on the bottom of the slider. 8 millimeter Allen head screw, and the 24 millimeter or 15/16 of an inch. The hex head, then female socket, then 3/8 extension conversion, then 2 feet long extension, then regular wrench. This is how I could release the Allen head screws. Look. This is the one. Oh. These are the ones after I got out. I'll show you. This is the tube, fork tube. As you can see, this is pushing here. You don't want to mess with this. Man, this is really bad. And this is the oil seal, old oil seal. I got it from here. This is the washer. Pushing. And this is damper rod. This is where it fits in right here. Like this. Rotate. And this one, M8 Allen screw. Like this, of course, inside here. Of course, and the up. Don't forget this one. Oil locker. Okay. This is all. This is it, folks. And don't forget, assembly is reversal of disassembly. Thank you. Good luck for you.